dito tayo magsimula sa iyong pagbalik Islam, ha? Ikaw ba ay sumasaksi at taos puso mong tinatanggap si Allah na tunay na Diyos at karapat-dapat ng ating pagsamba?
Opo.
At ikaw rin ba ay sumasaksi at tinatanggap mo si Propeta Muhammad na huling sugo at mensahero ng Allah?
Opo.
Yes po. So dito natin simulan. Ashhadu
Asyhadu
alla ilaha
an la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa asyhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasul.
Takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar. Saan, bakit ka naiiyak?
Ano po,
Why?
nararamdaman ko po
Na?
na sana po dito po na nandito yung peaceful ko.
You're happy? Are you
Yes po.
satisfied?
Yes po.
May Allah accept it from you. Don't worry. This will be your start of your journey, inshallah, in Islam. May Allah grant you. So, ibig sabihin, that is a tears of happiness, inshallah.
Yes po.
I hope I am near you to hug you. Alhamdulillah. So,
Alhamdulillah.
yes po, mabruk at welcome sa Islam. Inshallah, I'm so happy na Allah guided you.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes po, I'm so happy na Allah guided you.